Hey, I'm Daniel, and today we are taking a look at Ekena Millwork's line of wood-carved pilaster, capital, and bases. Now, this is a really interesting product line because you can use it for a number of different things. Some more common applications would be framing in a door or a window entryway. Another application would be on a fireplace, and we even see people use them on a regular basis on entertainment centers. Now, essentially, this product line consists of two different components. You've got your capital and you have your base. In the capitals, we've got several different designs for you to choose from. And each design is offered in a variety of sizes and wood species. That way, we've got the perfect collection that works for your project. My favorite thing about this product line, these are carved pieces of wood. Every capital, every base is unique and has character. It's going to have the natural wood grain pattern. It's got slight character variations. Everything that makes a wood carved product special. All of these capitals and bases come in both a paint grade option and a stain grade option. For the stain grade option, we've got numerous wood species for you to choose from. And if you're buying a product like this, there's a good chance you're going to need other millwork items. Stuff like crown molding, corbels, brackets. If you need anything like that, we've got complete collections that match these designs. And if you're not looking for a carved wood capital or base, we have other composite materials that might work perfect for you. For more interesting and innovative product lines like this one, check out our website or give us a call.